everybody. Hi everybody. I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on starting on Temu app. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about Temu and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking.